Shillong South legislator Sanbor Shulai on Saturday inaugurated 3 newly completed projects in his constituency, marking a significant boost to local infrastructure. The projects include a black-topped road at Madan Laban, constructed at a cost of Rs 83 lakh, and another at Riat Laban Football, costing Rs 57 lakh. On the same day, Sanbor Shulai also opened a public washing and toilet facility built for laundry workers in Riat Laban Football. The inauguration was attended by PWD Executive Engineer N. Lingdo, ADC D. Kharmalki, engineers, officials from various departments, and community leaders from the two localities. Sanbor Shulai informed that work on the second phase of the Riat Laban Road would begin by September this year. He further disclosed that plans are underway to establish a cultural center in the locality, which would house a parking area, community hall and office spaces for the Dorbar Shnong youth and women organizations. Community leaders highlighted that the Madan Laban Road was a crucial development as the area previously had only a narrow footpath for residents.
Tip kadai ke surau ke hadu tama apa sur Shillong kapan poi hadu kejat jongu long Shillong. Ha, tak. Tak ya please. Mereka lapor lapar. Dia kebetulan tolong bayar kan kepiawal kan terano kita ayo laila laikur laila asam syek. Kalau laila tekan dulu parking ikut kersieng dorong EDC kongdoli jadi diskus tentang angna aku yang pelong ke jaga parking dia sih kadang badan ngomong rumah Shnong kepada nila om pelong parking no yang ban football lani berpro parking ba kinja ila bagi am da yele kai basketball niki volleyball kanyara pe kino susnong sate stong pro abun yi building labi kan kam ya ka ta ko kali kata ru ya perak inde berbu ko sorok cha tu tayar ka tu kir dan long si ne kan wala era je ka jerit ru ka fon kan yo fon ngado ba stong kan lam sakri nam tang jidor kam jong i kam tam bapor bakat lu kayeng dan ketua cikin ro atau slap laban jan mereka fund video kongki welfare fund dan bosna punya tu ya pi menegiri si ngam sudah yo ko na ko deli di arsitek ini lawan masa Prakash Dharma lawan bipen perhan ila pak lembang ramai dari pasno mereka cuma tingin yo agak cakap cuma ni yo ko start ground kapan ada Robert Stone senior join committee hall makanya saya feature dari surat perkuliahan aku hall ni saya itu mana hall on start ground akabat kalau ayo start ground lala bawa gerai hall akabat tim na bolok Shillong kapsor ke ni lekai kalau rak mau kipor nai ko ni le football lekat no kalau orang mau kalau orang cingil kira yo pun kamai bedi jadi syar so ni cek di kuai di pati mo kan Shillong te kini 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 juga na ya perkataan tu tadi